Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss some integration question for the students of intermediate level. In our last two classes we have done exercise 10.1 and 10.2. Today we are going to discuss 10.3, which is basically related the integration of trigonometric functions. So dear students, give attention to my classes. Today we will practice few maths which already came in different board exams. So let's see. The first questions I am going to solve here. This one, integration of sin squared x cos of twice x dx. These questions came in Rajshahi board 2012, Chittagong board 2010, 13 and 14. Also in Rajshahi board this question came in 2013. So which books you use, you can see or review to see this year. So dear students, give attention. First one, we see here sin square, but we know the basically formula of 2 sin square x equal 1 minus cos 2 times of x, trigonometric formula. So we need here 2. So now divided by 2 and write here 2. This is the sin square x multiply with cos twice time of x d of x. Now apply the formula here. 2 sin square equal 1 minus integration of 1 minus cos of twice x multiply cos of twice x d of x. This is the basic formula we applied here. Now do multiply. This one will be integration of cos twice x d of x, and then now multiply this one minus cos square 2 times of x dx, also separated integration part here. So now this one will be 1 by 2. We all know sign of like integration of sin twice theta d theta will be minus 1 by 2 cos twice theta. Similarly, integration of cos 2 theta d theta will be 1 by 2 sin twice theta. So dear students, we will use here this formula, taking here multiplication. So this one will be 1 by 2 cos of twice, cos integration will give sin twice x. Now here what should we see here? Cos square. So as like as previous one, if we use here 2 cos square x, this formula is similar with this one. In terms of cos, this one will be plus, and in terms of sin, this symbol will be minus. So to convert this one as a 2 cos square, you can multiply again with half, then write here 2 times of cos square twice x d of x, and the remaining here integration part. So now this one is 1 by 2. This portion is already completed here. This one is sin of twice x. Now write this one 1 by 2. This is the integrate symbol here. Then now 2 cos square is 1 plus cos twice x. So 1 plus cos twice x, that means twice x multiply twice x. This one will be cos 4 times of x, and this one is d of x. Now do 1 by 2. This one will be third bracket 1 by 2 sine of 2 times of x. And if you multiply this one, there will be dx. So now half times of integration of dx will be x, and now this one is the plus half, sorry, plus minus minus half, and this 1 by 4 cos of x, that means cos twice theta will give 1 by 2 sine 2 theta. So this 1 by 4x will give you 1 by 4 sine of 4 of x. Our integration part is complete here. After completing your integration, just add constant number c. This is the formula, and this is your answer. If you want to rearrange this data, you have to write, or you can write here taking common, like you can take the half from all sides. This one will be okay. We can use this line 1 by 4 taking the common as a half. This one is sine 2 times of x minus x, then 1 by 4 sine 4 times of x, then constant number c, and this is our answer. So my dear students, we have basically used here two formula, 2 cos square x, 1 plus cos twice x, 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos twice x, then sine 2 theta integration 1 by 2 sine twice theta, and cos 2 theta integration 1 by 2 sine 2 theta. So cos gives sine and sine will give cos. So now let's practice another one. Okay, this is the question number 2. This is given here, integration of sine square x and then cos square x d of x. And we know 2 sine theta cos theta equal sine 2 theta. So to use this formula, we can write here like this one is now this is 4, then multiply with here 4 because there is given square. So sine of x square multiply with cos square x d of x. Now you can write here 1 by 4 2 times of sine x cos of x, and using this one as a whole square d of x, this integrate part. We can write here 1 by 4. This is the formula is sine twice x, and using this above square here remaining same, this is d of x. So again sine square x. So already in our previous math we said here 2 times of sine squared x is 1 minus cos of twice x. So to make here 2, we can write here 1 by 4 multiply with 1 by 2. To eliminate this 2, just multiply with again 2. This is the sine square 2 times of x d of x. If you eliminate this 2 with this 2, you will get the previous line. Now this is 1 by 4, sorry 1 by 8, 4 to the 8, and this 2 sine square you can write here 1, 2 sine square formula is 1 plus cos twice x, so this one will be 1, sine square, 2 sine square is 1 minus cos 2 times of x means 2 twice x, that means 4 times of x. Now d of x. Just do now simple integration here, 1 by 8, 1 integrate, this will gives you only x, this cos will give you 1 by 4, then sine of 4x, after integration just add a constant number c. This is our answer. So dear students, let's practice another one. Just we already use here this common formula in 2 maths, 2 sin square x, 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. So let's practice another one. Integration of 1 by 1 plus cos of x d of x. So dear students, this question basically you can see here Rajshahi board 2010, 11, Joshua board 2011, Chittagong board is 13 and 05. So let's start this one. This integration here 1 plus cos theta. So we can write here 1 plus cos theta equal to cos square x by 2. This is the 1 d of x. Like this one, 1 plus cos twice theta equal to 2 cos square theta. When we see here 2 theta, in times of square, this one reduced with the half times. So we see here only x, this half time will be x by 2. So now we can use here 1 by 2, 1 by cos square. Cos is the reciprocal identities of sec. So this one will be sec square x by 2. This integration is d of x. Now we know integration of sec square is tan of x. 1 by 2. This is the tan x by 2. Then this x exactly not x. This is the half times of x. So that's why we have to write here again d by dx. Integration is complete. Just add a constant number c. Now the final result you will get here half times with 1 by 2 tan x by 2 multiply with 1 by 2 plus c. So dear student, this one will be now 1 by 4 tan of x by 2 plus c, which is our final answer. These questions basically came 2013 and 5 in Chittagong board and Joshua board 11, Rajshahi board 10 and 11. So most important question. So let's practice another one. Next question. Okay, just I am giving one homework. Similarly you can do number as like as 3. So we mention here 3b. This is the 1 by 1 plus sin of x d of x. Just we first one we have done 1 by 1 plus cos of x. Now I am giving you 1 by 1 plus sin of x. This answer will be, you can practice, this answer will be tan x minus sec of x plus constant number c. These questions came in Joshua board 2013 and Buet admission test 2003 and 4. So you can practice this one by using 3a, that is previous maths. Okay, now we will practice another one. This is also one of the most important question here. We mentioned here number 4, e to the power 5 of x plus e to the power 3 times of x divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x d of x and its integration. This question came in Dinaspur board, Dhaka board 2010. Okay, dear audience, give attention. This is the numerator part and denominator part, both are not same. But we can convert this numerator 1 as like as denominator 1. Just give attention here. This is the 5, so e to the power 4 of x e to the power x plus e to the power 4 of x e to the power minus x. Just do simple calculation, you will get the same numerator part, e to the power x and e to the power minus x d of x. Now take common, e to the power 4x is common, e to the power x minus e to the power x. Then denominator part is e to the power x minus e to the power x. This is the d of x. Now you can eliminate this part, both are the same. So now integration of e to the power 4 of x d of x. This integration is too much easy, 1 by 4 e to the power 4x plus c. This is our answer. If using the common formula, e to the power ax integration will be 1 by a e to the power x. So dear students, thank you very much to enjoy this class. If you have any question, please do comments. Hopefully see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.